GS-mach company. Our company mainly produces biodegradable granules making machine and all kinds of plastic granules making machine. And to produce these granules, mainly we use this kind of machine, twin screw extruder. And this set extruder we mainly use to produce the biodegradable granules. And here we use the metering feeder. And this gearbox we made by ourselves. And the motor we use WM brand. And here the barrel we use 11 section barrel. And we equipped one exhauster, natural exhauster barrel and two vacuum exhauster barrel for these biodegradable granules. And here we equipped the hydraulic screw changer and the strander die head. And after this, we equipped the air cooling conveyor belt pelletizing system to make the biodegradable granules. After we make the granules, we can use the granules to produce the film and bags and disposable container of the biodegradable stores or many different products. For the biodegradable granules, the main raw materials we use are PBAT and starch. We will provide the formulation and the technologies. We provide the turnkey project. So if you need to know more details about our machines and the technology of biodegradable, please feel free to contact us. Okay, please following us. And next time we will show you more details about our machines. Okay, bye.